Yeah, good evening one and all. So today in this session we are going to discuss about how to express the given rational number with positive denominator. Okay. So in the previous video classes we have discussed about how to express the given rational number with a positive numerator. But right now in this session we are going to discuss how to express the given rational numbers with a positive denominators. Okay, in the previous session positive numerators has been completed, but right now we need to concentrate on converting or expressing the given rational numbers in terms of positive denominators. So now let us start the procedures. Okay, so the same procedure how we have done for converting the given rational number into a positive numerator, the same procedure we have to follow for this procedure also. Okay, how to express the given rational number into a positive denominator. So keep in mind that we are going to focus on positive denominator. It means that the denominator should be in the positive, it should not be negative. You have to keep in mind that one. Okay, so the denominator should be in terms of positive only. Now we have to see how to convert that one. Okay, so here the four given rational numbers are there. Here there are four rational numbers were given. In that one, if you could observe the first rational number, so what is the first rational number here? 5 by minus 13, correct or not? So 5 by minus 13, but our target is to convert that denominator into a positive denominator. Okay, but here the negative denominator is given, correct or not? So if you could observe on the board, 5 by minus 13, in that one 13 is negative value, but our target is to make the denominator positive, but here the negative is there. So we have to multiply and divide with minus 1, correct or not? So I am multiplying with minus 1 and dividing with minus 1, so that plus into minus, minus 5 into 1 5 divided by minus into minus plus 13 into 1 13, so that the answer is minus 5 by 13. So if we could observe here that 13 is a positive value, so the denominator has become positive. So it happened because of multiplying and dividing with minus 1, so that we have obtained a positive denominator. The same procedure for the remaining rational numbers also. So if we could observe the second rational number, so what is the second rational number? Minus 8 by minus 3. And again, if you could observe here, the denominator is negative, but our target is denominator should be positive. Again, we have to multiply and divide with minus 1. So I have multiplied with minus 1 and I have divided with minus 1. Again, minus into minus plus 8 into 1 8 divided by minus into minus plus 3 into 1 3. So that 8 by 3 is the answer. In that one, 3 is the positive value, so which is having a positive denominator. Is it clear or not? Simply we have to multiply and divide with minus 1. The same procedure, if you could observe here, the third rational number is 8 by minus 17. Okay, again if you could observe on the board, the denominator is a negative value, but in our question we have to convert the denominator into positive value. So again multiplying with minus 1 and dividing with minus 1, so that whatever it is happened, plus into minus, minus 8 into 1 8 divided by minus into minus plus 17 into 1 17, so that the answer is minus 8 by plus 17. So the denominator is having a positive value of 17, so positive denominator with a positive value. Is that clear or not? So the next rational number is 3 by minus 5, 3 by minus 5. So if you could observe here, the denominator is in negative form, but our target is to make the denominator into positive form. So again by multiplying with minus 1 and dividing with minus 1, so that whatever it happened, plus into minus, minus 3 into 1 3 divided by minus into minus plus 5 into 1 5, so that the answer is minus 3 divided by plus 5, so that the denominator has become a positive value. So from these given rational numbers, we can say that by multiplying and dividing with minus 1, the given negative denominator has been converted into a positive denominator. So this is the main heading, how to express the given rational numbers in terms of positive denominator. The only thing or the only logic is by multiplying and dividing with minus 1, the given rational number will be converted into a positive denominator. Is it clear or not? So these two are the very important models. In the previous session, we have discussed how to express a given rational number with a positive numerator. But right now we have discussed how to express a given rational number with a positive denominator. So the only logic is multiplying and dividing with -1. Once again, I'm saying that how to express a given rational number into positive numerator or positive denominator means we have to remember only one and only logic is multiplying and dividing with -1, so that the given negative number can be expressed into a positive number. Is it clear or not? So either for positive numerator or for positive denominator, we have to multiply and divide with -1 so that the given rational number can be expressed in positive numerator or positive denominator. So this is the only logic we have to keep in mind. Okay. So these two are the very, very important models. Once again, I am saying expressing a given rational number in the positive numerator and expressing a given rational number with positive denominator. The only logic is multiplying and dividing with -1. Okay. Is it clear or not? So I request everyone please note on these sums, and good evening. Have a nice day. Thank you.